Hey everyone, welcome to a new episode of Technoviz. My name is Amin and today I have brought you a new video where you can figure out how to repair your iPhone 10 if it's not booting up. Now this is an advanced level repair and it's especially for the people who already run a repair shop, and all the tools which is required, all the list is there, everything is quite details. Now this video is brought to you with the help of my friends at hcqs.com.cn who actually helped me out with this video. Quite great. All the links and everything is in the description. Now you know the routine, guys. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and so in that way you can get all the details up to you right in your phone daily. We send you tech updates, we do phone unboxing, reviews and comparison, and we also may take recommendations and requests on if any videos you would like to make for us. So if anything, please go ahead and leave your thoughts in the comment section. Without any further ado, let's get started. That's all for today, folks. I hope I was able to help you out with this amazing video of how to repair iPhone 10, which was so easily demonstrated by hcqs.com.cn. Now, if you have liked this video, please give it a nice thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and family in the repair center, the repair industry, anyone you know who must be into the repair business. And also, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you get all the latest videos right away to your phone. Well, see you again in the next episode. Till then, guys, stay techie.